Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print a document and set up the printing in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my document in my Microsoft Word, and for example, I'm going to print this document. If we want to print, we can go to the file menu and we can click on the print option, this one, or you can also press the Control and P button, and this menu will appear in your Microsoft Word, and here you'll be able to set up the printing. You can choose how many copies you want. For example, if you want to get 3 copies, you just need to enter 3, and then here you can select the printer that connected to your laptop or computer. Then here you can choose either you want to print all pages or just current page or custom print. And then you can also customize the page size. I'm just going to select letter, and then you can also customize the margins. For the margins, I'm going to select this one. Okay, then here you can choose how many page per sheet you want. I'm going to select 1 page per sheet. Okay, and once you're ready, you can click on print and your document will be printed. Alright guys, and that's all the way to print and set up printing in Microsoft Word. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.